Viasa, TV Cultura, Tower Records, the Aerospace Corporation, Thai Airways, Teledyne Technologies International Corp, T-Series, SIDI, Sanrio, Sabre Corporation, Rezidor Hotel Group, Resource Fine Foods, Reade, Randstad Holding, Puritan's Pride, Perimeter Aviation, Monginis, Beagle King Engineering, Food Mart, Jeld-Wen, Hardee's, Long Group, Guitar Center, Petroleum, Four Seasons Hotels and Resorts, Filmways, Duane Reade, Domino's Pizza, Discount Tire, Catholic Building Society, Carrols Restaurant Group, Carquest, Cambridge Consultants, Brabham, Beagle Aircraft, ASN Bank, Aluminium of Greece, Alfred Fiandaca, Ghurair Group, Air Guinea, Air Greenland, Aero California.
Hey guys, thank you so much for support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.